What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play You and Me by Shiloh Dynasty. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll force you to listen to sad lo-fi beats for the rest of your life until it drives you f***ing crazy. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to learn how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So the song is in standard tuning, and it's just got 3 different chords that repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be a B flat major 7. It's 6X 7 7 6X, and that means your index finger is going to be on the low E on the 6th fret. Your middle finger or your ring finger is on the D string on the 7th fret, your pinky finger is on the G string on the 7th fret, and your middle finger is on the B string on the 6th fret, and you're not playing anything on the A string or the high E. And what you're doing is you're using your thumb to pick the low E, your index finger to pick your D string, your middle finger to pick your G string, and your ring finger to pick your B string, and that stays the same throughout all 3 chords. What you're doing is you're picking them all, and then muting, picking them all, muting. Next chord is a G minor 7. Now technically you bar the entire 3rd fret and your ring fingers on the 5th fret on the A string. You're not picking the A string at all for this, so you can just bar the entire 3rd fret. And you're picking again the same way. And then you're jumping up to an A minor 7. So G minor 7, bar the entire 3rd fret. A minor 7, bar the entire 5th fret. Picking the exact same strings, and then starting back over at the B flat major 7. The only difference here is you're picking the B flat major 7 twice, and then once on the G minor 7, once on the A minor 7, and then starting all over. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.